Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hey, first video of 2026. What's good, chat? Welcome back. Today we're bringing back a childhood classic for some of y'all, maybe a new series for some of y'all that are just joining the channel. By we, who am I talking about? Bam!
Yo, what's going on, guys?
Oh my god, I haven't seen you in a minute.
Bro, it's been maybe like 2 years. I finally got out.
Today, we're bringing back Cheap Finds Friday. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you already know this is a series where David and I will go on hunts looking for different things, steals, deals, whatever it is. And we are at one of the best malls to find steals and deals. We're at the Great Mall in Milpitas. This is an outlet mall. I'm feeling good.
This isn't sponsored, by the way.
This is not sponsored. It could be sponsored though. Simon, hit us up. Yeah, lately, a lot of people have been posting all of their Burlington finds, and I'm like, damn, is that real? Are they really finding all these Jordans and stuff?
We've never come across like anything that crazy, but now I feel like more Jordans are starting to hit like Burlington and people are finding some crazy stuff. Undefeated 4s at Burlington is kind of crazy.
I know.
I feel like they planted that.
It's hard to tell these days with AI, but you know what? We're here for the ride. It's the first day of the year. I'm gonna have this out tomorrow for you guys. What? Since tomorrow is Friday. So dubs in the chat, we're gonna get it started. Let's get it and let's go. Wow, this is so nostalgic.
At the end of the day, we don't find anything, at least we found each other.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
We're approaching the sneaker section right now. Come on, we need to harness the energy.
No, bro.
What?
They got the Chewbacca 6s. Nah, those are low-key fresh though.
Honestly, I thought you found something fire.
Nah.
Okay, you know what? First find of the day, some Blazers.
40 bucks.
Copper drop.
Drop.
I'm dropping.
Did Puma send you these?
They did.
Did they?
Yeah, it ended up on eBay. Yo, actually, these are not a bad find. 60 bucks for some Nike Lunars. The inside feels kind of crazy too. If this was my size, you know what? It might make some good gym shoes. I'm not gonna lie. What's that?
I don't know what these are, but they got the Bills on here. So if you're a Bills fan, that's the only Bills I'm touching this year.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Sorry.
Damn, boy, this is that tech drip. If you guys live in the Bay Area and you're pulling up to work in this with a little Patagonia vest, bro, you are drip.
Don't forget the Arctex Skinnies.
Oh yeah, you need it. Another pair of the Lunar joints for 60 bucks. Not a bad shoe, not a bad shoe. I heard these are pretty comfortable.
$14.99.
$70 retail? That's not bad.
I will not be picking it up, but hey, if you guys want to pick this up, you guys know where to find it.
Bro, they got True Religion at Burlington? No way. Only 25 bucks. Let me tell you guys why we started Cheap Finds Friday in the first place. We love hunting for deals. We love looking for steals. And I feel like now that everything is super expensive, food, cost of living, and all that stuff, a lot of people are trying to ball on the budget, us included. So we want to show you guys what is available, what you guys could potentially get, and inspire some of y'all to go check out your local stores and see what they got. That's why we do it. Look at this True Religion drip. Is True Religion back, y'all? Let us know in the comments. Retail, $124. Out here, 24 bucks. Hold on, y'all, hold on. 8 bucks. Okay. 10 bucks, all right. One of my best finds that I've had was in LA. It was a TJ Maxx. I got a signed Shaq full authenticated picture frame, and I think it was only like 120 bucks, 110 bucks. That was like the best find. I have it in my room still. That was a steal. Shout out to Shaq. Nike's our next stop. Hopefully they have something for us. Look at this. This one has the 3M reflective. Only 90 bucks. Retail is 170. Not a bad find. Only if. Yeah.
If you walk fast enough, they'll look like pine green forests.
But if you're Asian, hold on. Yep, it'll pass. Wow, these are actually pretty freaking fire. 65 bucks, and they have a 30% discount on top of it. They're brown on the top, got some suede, and the midsole is nice and creamy. Yo, if these were my size, they'd be a cop. Instant cop for sure. We got some Nike Dunks in here. I know that they're not as popular as they used to be, but if you're looking to just buy shoes to wear and you're not worried about resale price, 90 bucks with the 30% off, this might be a good deal. And you know what? Solid color. Am I the only one that used to think these make you jump hella high? When I was a kid, I wanted some shocks like this. I love this colorway of the Vomeros. I'm just waiting for them to go on sale. These Vomeros are on sale for 120 bucks. These are fire. I like these ones. They're like a weird purple brown color, but I'm kind of messing with these.
How do you see purple in there?
It looks a little purplish. You don't see it?
I see brown.
Guys, what do you see?
I see gray and brown.
It's called mauve. Mauve.
These are purple.
Those this is in between a purple and a brown. Feel me? This is for the ladies watching. Hey, 80 bucks? This colorway is more fire than the other one we just saw at Nike. I actually really like these dunks. They got the gum bottoms, just black with the white swoosh. Super easy to wear. Like if you're in school and you want a just nice shoe to wear, this is a good one right here. We're in Finish Line right now. I don't know what the price is, but it's on the sale rack back here. So it must be good. What do they remind you of?
A traffic cone?
It's a food.
Is it Asian food?
No. This is what I was referring to, guys. Kind of a nasty snack, but guess they're still kicking. Hold on, 36 bucks for a 60-pound heavy bag? Guys, I don't know. That sounds like a good deal to me.
And there's a bunch of them.
There's a black
36.
one. There's a blue one.
There's a bigger one. This one is 48.
Dude, I'm just curious what these even go for. Even on the Everlast site, they're on sale for 90 bucks right now. And you could get it here for 36. Right as we were walking off, this guy came up to it and he was like, I paid 200 bucks for this shit. What a classic. Comment down below if you guys ever had a bottle of Jason Mark. I almost want to just buy this for the smell. The smell is nostalgic. David ended up getting something. He got a jersey.
I picked up this Real Madrid 2025 jersey. Retail was 100 and it was on a rack for $80 minus 60% off, which equaled $35 basically after tax.
Something like that. That's pretty fire. I didn't get anything because I don't really need anything right now, but we did see a bunch of deals today and we're not done yet. We're gonna hit a couple more stores.
The video's not over yet?
No, the video's not over yet.
I was just starting to get sad because I was like, oh, the video's coming up, like it's gonna be over. Like what am I gonna do now with my life, you know?
I know. Don't worry, don't worry. We got you guys. They got the freaking Lilo and Stitch joint, bruh. Spider-Man 2. They got Gucci glasses at Ross? No way. 184 bucks. That's a good deal.
We got some more right here too.
More Gucci's? Dang. All right. I like that. Dang, finding Gucci at Ross is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
More down here.
Damn. Is this the downfall of Gucci?
It's the downfall of Gucci.
Oh no. It's looking a little bit brighter now. We got some Vomeros right here. Black, white, orange. And it's only 73 bucks. Not bad. I think this is probably the only thing we could find in this section.
This whole day.
This whole day. Is it a copper drop? A little drop for me, but cool to see it here. The reality of it is, man, it's kind of tough to find stuff at these stores, but you just gotta be lucky. It just gotta be your day.
Size 11, Nike Air Pegasus, 70 bucks.
Oh,
Valentine's Day is coming up.
it is.
Pick some up for your shawty.
We're at Burlington. So they have some Versace right here. Versace La Homme. 35 bucks, that might be a deal. I don't know what that one smells like. They also got some Jimmy Choo, EDT. We got some stuff at this one actually. 30 bucks for some Burberry. David just found this Nocta right here. Retails 200 bucks, but it's out for $34.99. I wish they did a little bit more with this one. It just looks like an ordinary piece.
It's like, what's Nocta about this? Like, okay, you got the three little crosses
this?
right here. Cool, Drake. What are we supposed to do with this, Drake?